Normal lang po ba yung masakit? So, he or she is referring to yung pag-hold ng violin without a shoulder pad. So, of course, it's never normal pag may masakit. Okay? So, kapag may sumasakit sa inyo, it's either you're doing one thing wrong or mali lang yung placement, no? So, baka may kailangan kayong ayusin sa location ng violin, or baka hindi lang din kayo pwede talaga tumugtog ng walang shoulder pad. Kasi it's not for everyone, it's not for every body type, no? Yung pagtugtog ng walang shoulder pad, siya, it takes a lot of getting used to, lalo na kung natugtog na kayo before ng meron, and you have to have reasons for it, no? Lalo na kung marunong na kayo ng meron, hindi nyo naman kailangan gawin yun. But kung may nasakit, I always advise people to stop what you're doing and try to analyze bakit sumasakit, what's the main cause, no? Don't try to power through pain. Okay, yan yung mali sa atin pag we're trying something new, and then pag medyo masakit, we try to power through it na parang okay lang yan, kailangan talaga. But sometimes, yes, no, kailangan yung mga ganun. But especially when we're talking about posture and proper form, pag may sumasakit, it indicates na hindi para sa yung form na yon, or your posture is not good or not secure. So make sure na yung mga pain na yon is naiintindihan nyo saan nanggagaling, don't just power through it na parang okay, sige, pagtsatsagaan ko. Hindi, kasi kung dito yung paglagay mo lang dito simple sumasakit, there's something wrong, kasi wala dapat sumakit. And then also you have to check your neck and check your head. Make sure hindi nagtitilt yung head mo and your neck pag nagtatry ka na mag-hold ng violin, no? Kasi karamihan yun yung nagiging problem. Nagkakaroon sila ng pain sa back of their head, no? Because ginagano nila yung chin rest, no? Parang iniipit nila pababa. But in reality, all you have to do is gaganon lang. Ilalock in place mo lang siya with your collarbone and your chin. So when you look to your left, maglalak na doon yung violin. Okay? So hindi normal yung may masakit. So kung may sumasakit sa'yo, hanapin mo ano yung nagkukos nun, no? Baka pwede rin kung mahapde or baka mamaya allergic ka sa bakal, no? May mga ganong cases din na irritate yung skin either with the wood or with the chin rest bracket, no? Kung steel, stainless, or whatever material that may be, baka yun yung problem, no? Or baka tumatama sa collarbone mo. So adjust lang. And again, if it is painful, stop and try to find out why there is pain coming out. Okay?